Tonight at Istanbul 1913, we will have a workshop for 3 hours. There are 100 reasons that you cannot coming because of traffic, because of your family, because of your work, because of 100 reasons that you can think about it. Oh, I'm so tired, I should be fixed for tomorrow. But honestly, it's the time to think about it. There is only one reason, and it's you. These 3 hours will be time that invests on you, and I will be very happy to celebrate tonight with all of you, and we will talk about your career, we will talk about your opportunity, and we will talk about how you can use the network opportunity as a true leader. See you tonight.